Hello, my brother. Oh my God. Now, wow. You get what I see for. You get what I see for Facebook and social media, where one a father and a mother, a father and a mother and a sister and a father and the boy. That thing pay me sha. It pay me well. I don't know why our Nigerian people they wicked. Oh God. I don't know why Nigerian people wicked. Nigerian people they wicked. They just kill that boy, pata like that, innocent boy, 12 years old boy like that. Nigeria safe. Now the way they used, the way they go see sweep this one go under the carpet. Yeah, the boy the boy they just cry. Oh God, I know if you put that video because it's too much. Also parents, I want to give you parents advice. Now the parents that make their own enter this video now. Maybe I know they put our children for boarding school. Maybe you they work. You work or you won't work because of your why you okay you want now your career now you they pursue. Why not pursue that career? Why you can't born that? Where you can't born children? You know, so you won't pursue your career. You don't have to bring children come this world. If na career you won't push. For kukuma push your career. Push your career. If na your work you won't work. If you won't work now your career now you won't pursue your career. Not be you can't bring these children for this world. You know go trade them. You won't come they put them for body school. Make people they take care for you. Who go take care for you? I beg parents. Now parents now make I enter the social media now. I beg. If you not go take care of your children, me not bring children come this world again. For Europe, if you get children, it can't work. Say okay, it get the way they will give you your job. I can't understand. They go give you your job. Maybe they work. You won't work 8 hours or 5 hours or. You get children. You have to take care of your children, Children, now be the first. Now they put for children for Europe now. Now they be first. After the children, the father and the mother, you come. I beg. Now they put now children for body school again. Body school they teach anyhow. They teach anyhow. They know they take care of your children. They just come. They will just teach the children. They will come out. They don't get time to come they ask children, what do I eat? Who get time to ask them? I can't understand. I don't they put children for body school again. Nigeria. Make una they train our children. If you now work, you work. You go fair. Carry your children. Can they go school? You go see if they make they will put on shirt. You go put on your shirt. You go drop them for school. You will go your work. Before they will come close, you don't come back. You will go take them. If they are the father, now you won't go take them. Me, the father go take them. And I say they done. Una go share everything into two. I can't understand. Me, I know they put children for body school again. Skills, many children they die always. I really pity for the family of the boy, the mother, the father. The time they go enjoy the boy now. The boy they go school, may he come graduate, may he come they start the work, may he come they take care of the mother and father. The boy not come there again. Mama sit good.
Mama sit good.
Yeah. I can't understand. I really pity for a mother and father. If not children they go school, they go body school. If they come back for holiday, make una they shake them way. Ask the question. If they not ask, they don't feel ask they don't feel talk. You go force them. You go force them make they talk. If you force them, they go must talk. They must talk. Oh, that one be the sure. They must talk. if you force them, if they don't fit talk, you go use something bribe them again. They go tell you what thing they happen for school. Okay, I'll stand now. Only down, only down. No, nobody eat it. I will eat one. Okay, I'll stand. Look when they force them. Make una dey force the children. Una go force them. If they don't fit talk, you go fit use something small thing bribe them. Oh, I will give you ice cream. Tell me what the people do in the school. What the people is doing. They must tell you. Okay, understand? They must tell you something. Okay, understand? Me, I don't dey keep na children for boarding school. If I don't keep na children for boarding school, every month, me na dey go dey shake them. Every month, if that month don't end, the month now we'll go shake them. How did they do? We go bring her out to say, I want to take my son to shopping mall. We will kind of go there. You go buy your food. You must say you waiting they happen for the school. I beg, make una dey take care of na children way. The way that boy die, the way that boy died, they don't they die like that. He died for too much pain. He died for too much pain. Eh? Also, the fact that the pikin die now, now they do birthday. I don't get hurt. The pikin die. You see they celebrate. You see they celebrate birthday. Now what for Nigeria people? Now see they celebrate. People still food dead. You see they celebrate birthday. Now birthday night day matter be na the birthday day matter be na the thing you won't fight for your pikin make you get justice. They do birthday. I beg, parents, fathers, if your woman not fit go, not the only woman go fit do everything in this world. If your woman not fit go school, go shake the pikin, how the pikin they feel, you go still go. Now go put hands together, support each other. If the father you go come out ask him what they do for school, what they do you. I hope they do they treat you good. If you pikin no fit talk, you go fit tell her and say, you go promise her heaven and earth may tell you what they happen. I can't understand. I beg make una take care of na children. Where? Especially Nigeria. Children they die always. Now they will go but to school. They go bury them. I beg Nigeria. All the whole government Nigeria, all of them not get head. I beg. Make una dey take care of na children where if na body school they I know say children that time I dey Nigeria that time. My girlfriend they go body school. Always they come back. If he come back, his mother go ask him how the body school, everything is okay. We say, Mama, everything is good. They treat me good. Okay. This one now, this one Nigeria all done worst. You worst for Europe. They get body school. They depend the one that they go for here. The mother will go bring her from now that one now they depend pass. Not be the maybe if you want put body school now for Europe now, body school for Europe. Now the people they don't their age the age. Okay, so not be the person that 12 years old. How you come washing? How the boy will come wash his shirt, wash it that way. And also people they wash it for them. How you come take? I beg me na Nigeria self na no get na notice na Europe na dey. No only Europe na go fit do that one. I beg. Make una dey put na children for good school, not be body school. No dey put children put for this body school again. If they go, you go take them, bring them back home, bath them, look them, take care of your children. Now this now because of children, now you make now because of now you know the way you born. You know the reason why you say I won't get children. You have to take care of them. You don't have to come keep them for body school. Make person they take care of. Who go come take care of for you? Nobody. No, they take care of person. Nobody. That my girlfriend that time. Nobody take care of him. Now they wash his clothes. Now they wash his clothes. Now they wash his pine. Now they do everything. And I can't understand. I beg. Make not they put children to school again. And also far away. Maybe you dey Abuja. You want come put your pikin Lagos for body school for Lagos. They know they do that one. Put her near you. If you finish your work, you will go take am. Can I come house? Give her food, make food for her. Don't be you go keep your pikin for far away. You dey Abuja, pikin dey Lagos. You dey some far away. You won't come put your pikin go Abuja, go school for Abuja. Who they do that one? 12 years old, not be 20 years, not be 13 years. I beg me, I know they put children for body school. If I don't go fit take care of your children, make una keep your children by themselves. Me, I know they put children for body school again. That pain now, that the way the boy die, all the mat, all the whole mat, all of them rotty, blood they come out. That boy die. He died. I don't know what I want to talk and share. I beg parents. Me I know they put children for the school again. Me I know they put children for the school again. Make una they take care of una children. Okay, understand? Like me now, they go work. And they go work. You get the time and they work. And they work 5 hours, 6 hours sometimes 4 hours, because my children now be the first thing. Now I will carry them go school, carry them come back. If I want bath them, I go look them all their body. Okay, understand? Look them, look everywhere. I will make sure say I look. If it dey normal. Okay, understand? And if they come back, I will still ask them, what I do for school today? What I do? What I eat? Whose time I use eat? And they ask them. Okay, understand? And they ask my children. I know say my children are 6 years old. This one I use and trade them now. I use I can't train the command. Then I use and they train my children now. They don't go hide something for you if they trade them like that. I beg, make una take care of your children. If no one fit take care of your children, why you come bring and come alive? I really vex. I really vex for you. I vex little bit for your mother, vex little bit for your father. The boy he died. He died a premature death. You really pay me. I beg. Me I know they put children for body school again. Now be my own. This look me now. They say now I find justice. Nigeria, justice not in Nigeria. Nigeria don't kaput. Nigeria justice not go face see. You go use all your money fight. Nothing go come and they go super and go on that. They will super and go grants. If na Europe now, you must get justice. They must find person who do and come out. If you say that person hide. I beg, make una take care of my children well. Take care of them well. If you don't say they put them for body school. If anytime they come holiday, look them, nyash, look them everywhere. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't finish show now. That's why I won't talk, because I know say the boy now rest in peace. May God see accept with them. Maybe my own. Bye bye.